Someone is playing plantito here together with his son who's eating jelly ace. Wow. Wow. That is bonsai. Wow. This is bacularis. What's this po? Ito, this is bacularis to. Oh. Bacularis to. Bigay ito ni Tito Golo.
Ito yung nasa baba. Ito yung nasa isang malaki lumbo.
And the damo. And then this is roses ba yan, babe?
Oo.
Roses.
Oo, rosas.
May ano pa, may mga... Ito, hindi pa natin alam yung ano. This is from Ninang Mitch. Wow! Thank you! Thank you! May kangkong pa. Mama ko yan.